Hi and welcome back. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. If it's your first time visiting my channel and you enjoy my content, I invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's free. I've got nail mail from Brave Diva Polish. Let's open it together. And this is everything that Tara sent in my package. She sent us some yummy treats and her cute business card. You can follow her on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. This is her website, bravesdivapolish.com. So let me tell you guys that I've been wanting to have this since last year, but I wasn't able to get it until now. And I'm so happy to finally have it here. Can you guess what it is? Wow, very well packaged. Here it is. Oopsie. Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. Brave Diva Polish, and it is called Peppermint Bark in the Park. Wow. Tell me if this isn't Christmas in a bottle. Totally Christmas in a bottle to me. And Tara is very good at sealing these so that they don't open up during shipping. So I'm gonna use one of these little sticky labels to try to open it. Oh, got it. Wow. Let's take a look. Wow. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to put this on. I'll be right back.
Christmas, guys.
I went back and covered a little bit in the areas where I had been a bit stingy with the polish, and now I'm going to apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. Here's the completed manicure. I love the way it looks, and I really don't know how I'm going to be able to stamp over this gorgeous polish. I'm probably going to be wearing it a lot between now and December. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!